Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I'm going to discuss with you one of the most important keys of health. Foods that you should stay far away from. Foods you should never eat. Let's go through the list one by one and I'll try to explain to you why you should stay away from these foods. First, on top of the list is packaged juices, especially orange juice. I know it sounds ridiculous. We're encouraged to drink orange juice because it's full of vitamin C, but you want to go for the fresh juices, not a packaged product. Packaged juices are pasteurized. Most of the vitamins and enzymes are cooked out of them, so you're really only drinking sugar water. So make sure that you always go for fresh juices. The best thing is get a juicer and do it yourself at home. Second thing you want to stay away from is processed meats. These contain nitrates. Studies show that nitrate is linked to cancer. So if you buy sausages, salami, corned beef, jerky, canned meat, and meat-based sauces, make sure they are nitrate-free. The third on the list, and very, very important, is high fructose corn syrup. It is in pretty much everything these days, from salad dressings to sodas to frozen foods and even juices. Make sure to read the ingredients before you buy anything. High fructose corn syrup can lead to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. So it's not something that you should take lightly. Fourth is commercial milk. I will discuss this topic in detail in another video because it is so important. But please, when you buy milk, choose hormone-free organic milk and preferably goat milk. Again, make sure you stay tuned for the video on dairy that I'm going to be doing very, very soon for you. The fifth on the list of these foods that you should really stay away from is potato chips. You might feel that snacks like potato chips are cheap, easy to find, and satisfying, but when it comes at the cost of your health, it's really not worth it. Potato chips are high in trans fat, something you should avoid at all costs. If you can't resist potato chips and have them only once in a while, make sure to read the ingredients. The simple rule is to pick up the bag of potato chips with the least amount of ingredients. If you have 7 lines of ingredients in fine print, you may want to put that bag back. The next thing on this list of foods to avoid are canned foods, especially canned tomatoes. And the reason is BPA. BPA is a harmful chemical which is used to coat the lining of cans and most plastic products. It causes hormonal disruption, reproductive harm. It increases risk of certain cancers in your body, malformation of organs in children. There's a high risk of miscarriages attached to BPA, sperm defects, and increased risk of mental disabilities in babies. So these are especially harmful for pregnant women and young children. Since tomatoes are highly acidic, it draws out more of the BPA into the food from the lining. Don't be fooled by BPA-free packaging. A few years ago, when there was an uproar about BPA, companies started removing BPA from their cans and started using another equally harmful chemical called BPS. The best is to avoid canned tomatoes and use fresh tomatoes, but if you must buy preserved tomatoes, get something in glass or aseptic packaging. If you avoid these foods, your immune system will be improved and you will notice higher energy levels and an overall improvement to your well-being. So definitely give this a go. Stay away from these foods as much as possible or entirely. This is it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.